1. Do the benchmark tests get harder throughout the year? Before we answer this, let's take a look at what a benchmark test is in Discovery Education Assessment. Benchmark tests are used to aid educators in diagnosing student learning, monitoring student progress, making instructional decisions, evaluating the impact of curriculum, and predicting student proficiencies. So, to answer the question, the answer is no. The benchmark tests do not intentionally get harder. Each assessment covers a balanced sampling of the full set of standards for a given grade and domain, and all tests are equated. Let me show you how it works. Let's take a look at a benchmark sampling for TMAN. Here we have Test A taken in the fall. As you can see, it's composed of 40% algebraic thinking, 45% numbers and operations, 14% of data analysis and probability, 14% of measurement and data, and 13% of geometry. This same composition is also found in Test B when TMAN takes it in the fall or beginning of spring. The breakdown of domains is the same blueprint as the next test. So can you predict what Test C would look like? You got it. Exactly the same breakdown of the domains percentage. To make a fair distribution of test sample items, each category has a range of hard to medium and easy. These are also distributed equally throughout the different tests, so that all of the domain sections have been tested for validity and reliability. This answers our question about does it get harder, but maybe you're still wondering of how it looks like throughout the year. So here we have TMAN, and TMAN is, let's pretend TMAN's your typical 4th grade student. He's come on board and he's going to take a test in August, beginning of the year. At that time, TMAN would have been exposed to a certain level of content and would have acquired a certain understanding of knowledge. Thanks to the help of the quality instruction by the teacher, TMAN will again learn more information, so when he takes a second test in December or January, more knowledge is acquired and more content information has been exposed. Likewise, you can see that again through the change of time with the support of high quality instruction from the end of December, January to the final spring testing, TMAN would show again an understanding of content, acquisition of knowledge, and exposure from the beginning of year to the present day. So the benchmark test still stays the same throughout. It's just as they go, depending on the period of time that the student is tested, more information has been exposed. So in theory, the test should actually get easier because the student will have seen more information testing all those domains across the time of a school year, from beginning to end.